You might not have realized it, but the moon's presence directly overhead can subtly affect your weight. While the idea that celestial bodies impact our physical state might seem like science fiction, there's a scientific basis for this phenomenon rooted in gravitational forces. The moon's gravitational pull has long been recognized for its influence on Earth's tides. This gravitational force, though relatively weak compared to the forces we experience in our daily lives, can also have a slight effect on objects, including ourselves, when it's directly overhead. This influence is due to the concept of gravitational tidal forces, which describe how gravitational fields exert varying forces on different parts of an object. Essentially, the moon's gravity can pull more on the part of Earth closest to it and slightly less on the part farther away. When the moon is directly overhead, its gravitational pull exerts a force that slightly counteracts the Earth's gravity. As a result, objects, including humans, experience a minute reduction in their weight. This effect is known as the lunar gravitational effect, and while it's barely noticeable, it's a real phenomenon. The difference in weight is extremely small, usually only a fraction of a gram, but it's detectable with precise instruments. To understand this effect, consider the following analogy. Imagine the Earth and Moon as a giant seesaw, with the Earth being much heavier. The Moon's gravitational force pulls slightly on the side of the Earth nearest to it. When this force is strong enough, it can counteract the gravitational pull we feel from the Earth itself, albeit very marginally. The practical implications of this weight change are minimal and likely unnoticed in everyday life. However, for scientists and researchers studying gravitational effects, these minute variations offer valuable insights into how gravitational forces interact on a large scale. In summary, while the weight reduction caused by the moon being directly overhead is insignificant to most people, it highlights the subtle yet fascinating ways in which celestial bodies influence our planet. This small interaction reminds us of the interconnectedness of our universe, even in the most unexpected ways.